Good morning, children. Welcome back to Self Development class. Now we'll be heading with Chapter 4 Media and I, Part 2. Chapter 3 after this chapter. Because this chapter is the continuity of Part 1 Media and I. In the last class, we had spoken about lot of self development. If you remember, mostly we were talking about self development and self destruction. So, this is just to tell you, eat healthy, stay healthy, keep your mind healthy, do not clutter with unwanted things. Identify who is this. Life is meant to be lived, not flaunted. So you can see here, everybody knows this, Jhansi Ki Rani. Okay, and this is a girl climbing the mountain. Here, she who is brave is free. And this is especially for all the girls. Think like a queen. A queen is not afraid to fail. Failure is another stepping stone to greatness. In Media and I Part 2, it is mostly respect of women, progress of women, and it tries to tell the men counterpart that they must respect all the women in their lives, in their surrounding, in their office work, in this anywhere and everywhere. "22 Indian women who were the first in their field." They were first in their field. This is only some pics I have picked to show you. You can just go on Google and check. You can see Mother Teresa, Kalpana Chawla. Okay. The history of Indian women is full of pioneers who have broken gender barriers and worked hard for their rights and made progress in the field of politics, art, science, law. You just name, and the women have made themselves number one. So remember, children, gender. What is gender? It is just the society form. That is, society has created this gender, male, female, or any other. Okay, it is not biological. So gender is just created by society. They always feel that male is powerful and women are underestimated, women are less powerful, women are emotional, and many other stereotype thinking, which slowly steadily is changing, but it's not changing how it should actually. First in the column, Anandibai Gopalrao Joshi. Look at that, children. It is 1887. Anandibai Gopalrao Joshi became the first Indian female physician in the year 1887. She was also the first Indian woman who was trained in Western medicine and the first woman to travel to the United States of America. So in 1887, she is the first Indian female physician. So we are proud of her. Second in the list is Roshni Sharma. Recently became the first Indian woman to ride a motorbike from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. This bike is always associated with the male figure. But here you can see this female, so fearless, she is brave. She has taken her bike, she has gone for a ride from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. Incredible, children. Third is Sheila Davre. You can see in the auto rickshaw. She became country's first woman auto rickshaw driver. She stepped into the male-dominated zone in the year 1988. Pune-based Davre wants to now start an academy for women interested in becoming trained auto drivers. So look at those years, children, 1988. Next in the list, this is really inspiring, children. You can see our Prime Minister Modi ji is congratulating her, blessing her, and you can see her pic, clear pic. That's Arunima Sinha. Who is she? If you don't know, let me read it for you. Arunima Sinha is the first female amputee to climb Mount Everest. She is also the first Indian amputee to climb the Everest. She was a national level volleyball player who was pushed from a running train by thieves in 2011 as she was resisting them. After meeting this accident, one of her legs had to be amputated below the knee. You know what is amputated? Cut. So this Arunima Sinha, she is actually a national volleyball player, children. But as she was traveling by train and some robbers, thieves, pushed her from the running train as she was resisting. So maybe they were pulling a bag or something like that, trying to rob, which she was not allowing. She was fighting, and since they could not overcome her, so they pushed her from the train in 2011. And what did she do? She was a national level volleyball player. She didn't give it up, children.